investor, welcome to the Uncle Stock beginner tutorial, seeking out and managing stocks. In this tutorial, you will learn the basic interface of the site, how you can find stocks you might be interested in, and how you can manage your favorite stocks in Uncle Stock. But let us start with the basics first. One of the first things you can see on the Uncle Stock dashboard is a search box in the left corner on top of your screen. In the search box, you can enter a stock that you might be interested in. The second thing you can see is a clean whiteboard in the middle of the screen. Currently, it is still empty, but we can use this whiteboard to get a summary of the stocks that we search for. The third and last thing we will cover today is the watchlist page on top of your screen. In this watchlist, you can save stocks on your account. If you were to leave the site, you can always return to the site to see and modify your own portfolio on Uncle Stock. Now, let's search for a first stock. In our example today, we would like to learn more about the stock of Apple and furthermore add it to our watch list. We start our search in the search box in the left corner on top of the screen. You can either type the ticker of the stock or the name of the stock. Most of the time, you will see that Uncle Stock shows several recommendations. After we click on the stock of Apple, we can see that the stock is added to our whiteboard. In our whiteboard, we can load the stock and get the general information of the stock. On the bottom of the screen, we can see a detailed analysis and all the financial ratios of the stock. On the right side of the stock, you can see a plus symbol. If you press this symbol, we can save the stock to our watch list. In our watch list, we get a summary of all the stocks we've added. Your personal watch list will be automatically saved on your profile, so you can always come back to further analyze the stocks you have added. If you wish to remove a stock from your watch list, you can press the little X symbol on the right hand side of your screen. It is also possible to create multiple watch lists. This can be for various reasons, like a shorting watch list or a list for stocks you would like to keep an eye on. To create a special watch list, you can press the My Area button on top of the screen. If we were to fill in a name of a new watch list, for example, shorting watch list, you can add stocks you would like to short in the near future. If we would like to short our previous Apple stock, we search for Apple in the search box and add the stock to the whiteboard. Afterwards, we press the plus symbol on the right side of the screen and we add the stock to our new shorting watch list. If we want to open our custom list, we simply go to the My Area button and click on Shorting Watch List. So, that will be all for this tutorial on seeking out and managing stocks on the Uncle Stock stock screener. Hopefully, this tutorial was of good use to you and brought you a step closer to making the best investment decisions possible.